Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. I'm here with a new video tutorial how to crochet this amazing top. This top is absolutely perfect for beginners and you can adjust it to any size. You can make it wider or longer, and in the middle create the neckline opening. We will work in rows back and forth, and I will use this really easy V-stitch pattern. So I will use only double crochet stitches and chains. This top is crocheted as a one piece and I only sew the sides, which is absolutely perfect. The pattern notes you will find in the description box right below this video tutorial. The written pattern is for free on my blog, and if you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put your comment below this video tutorial. You can reach me on my Facebook page, Pinterest and Instagram. So guys, let's get started. I will use this very attractive yarn. It's super interesting yarn. Look at the composition. In one ball there are 120 meters. One ball has 100 grams, and it's 55% acrylic, 45% polyester and 5% wool. This yarn is really nice and soft and pleasant. I will use quite big crochet hook, 8 millimeters. You will need some scissors, sewing needle, and for beginners I would recommend you to prepare 2 stitch markers to mark the neckline opening. So guys, let's get started. Make a slip knot and then a foundation chain. The length of foundation chain is the length of your top from the shoulders to the waist or hips or knees, it's up to you. And you have to chain this length twice as long as we will create a front and back parts together. So my foundation chain is a length from shoulders to the waist, and I make it the length 2 times. And the multiple of chain, it's important to have a multiple of 3 plus 1 to have a V-stitch pattern properly counted. So I have 79 chains, 79. Then let's start V-stitches. Yarn over and let's make a double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook. So make a double crochet in this 4th chain, then chain 2, 1, 2, and make a double crochet in the same chain. And you just completed the first V stitch, and I will repeat it 25 times till I reach the end of the chain. So skip 2 chains, skip 2. In the 3rd chain let's make double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain. This is my 2nd V-stitch. So I have 2 V-stitches, and let's keep continue crocheting. Skip 2 chains. In the 3rd chain let's make double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain. So this is my third V-stitch. So always skip 2 chains, and in the third let's make a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. I will meet you at the end. Here I am. I have 25 stitches, 25 V-stitches. I worked the last V-stitch in the last chain. Look at it. And now let's make row number 2. Chain 3 at the beginning. I don't count chain 3 and a stitch. So chain 3. And now let's make a V-stitch into the V-stitch. So work in chain 2 space and make double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain 2 space. This is my first V-stitch. Yarn over. Let's move into the next chain 2 space and make double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain 2 space. And this is it, my crochet friends. This is so easy, and you will continue crocheting till you are satisfied with the width of your front and back panel. So V-stitch into the V-stitch, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, work in next chain 2 space and continue crocheting. Make sure you have the same number of V-stitches. I have 25. So on the front panel 13 and on the back panel also 13 V-stitches. I will meet you at the end, and make sure and work in the last chain 2 space. Okay, don't work in between V-stitch and chain 3 space. Okay, so work into the last chain 2 space and make a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. We just finished the second row. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then your work. I don't count chain 3 as a stitch, and make double crochet in chain 2 space, then chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Then let's move in the next chain 2 space and make a V-stitch. So double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain 2 space. And now you can repeat row number 2 till you are satisfied with the width of your front panel. We are working on the front and back panel at the same time, so that's why the length is quite long. Let me show you how it will be. So fold your work in half, and now you can clearly see the front and back panels. Okay, and you will continue crocheting working in rows back and forth, and then I will show you how to make the neckline opening. So I just finished 11 rows and I started row number 12 and I made V-stitch in first 13 V-stitches. So I'm right in the middle of my work. Okay, so let's make V-stitch in first 13 V-stitches on the first chain 2 spaces. Then I will skip 5 V-stitches, 5 chain 2 spaces, and I mark them, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 V-stitches till the end of row. So the number is same, 5 plus 8 is 13, and I already made 13 on the back panel. Let me measure. The length is 44 centimeters or 45 centimeters, and the width is 23 centimeters. And I'm in the middle of my work. Now let's skip 5 and I have to make a chain. I will chain 17 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Make this chain quite loosely as we will work in this chain V-stitches. So 17. And then skip 5 and make a V-stitch in next V-stitch. So double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. And there are 8 V-stitches till end of row, so make 8 V-stitches. Then chain 3 and turn your work and make V-stitch into the V-stitch, so 8 V-stitches, and I will meet you once you reach the chain. There are 17 chains. I will skip 2 chains and I will work in the third one, and I will make a V-stitch, so double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain. This is my first V-stitch. Now skip 2, 1, 2, and let's make a V-stitch in the third chain. Make double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain. This is it. Skip 2 and let's make the third V-stitch in the third chain. So double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. This is my third one. Then chain 2, then skip 2, skip 2, and in the next let's make the fourth V-stitch, chain 2 and double crochet in the same stitch, and the last one, skip 2 chains, work in the third one and skip last 2 chains. Okay, so we have 17 chains. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So if you have a different number, make a multiple of 3, multiple of skipped V stitches plus 2. So I skipped 5, so 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. And then continue and work a V-stitch into the V-stitch. And let's make 11 rows on the right side, the same number as we have on the left side. So this is it. Now work in rows, back and forth, make V-stitch into the V-stitch. Once you finish the row, chain 3 and continue crocheting. So guys, now you should have again 26 V-stitches, 13 and 5 and 8. So this is it. I will meet you once I finish 11 rows on the right side. I have, let me recount it, 1, 2, one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay, and 12 row in the middle, and then I will make 11 again. So here I am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is it. And I have 11 on the left side as well. So guys, we are done, almost done. I will sew the sides on. I will sew the front and back panels together. Work on the wrong side, or the side you prefer to have inside, and I will sew 8 V-stitches. So again the opening will be 5 V-stitches, the same as I have for the neckline opening. I also love the bottom edge. And so guys, this is it. Let me measure the top. The width is 47 centimeters. The length is 43 centimeters. And the neckline opening is 19 centimeters. So guys, I would recommend you to sew the sides, or if you prefer to crochet the sides with slip stitches, it's fully up to you. And I skipped 5 V-stitches for the arm openings. So this is it, my crochet friends. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. It's super easy, it's quick. I love to make the simple crochet projects. So if you like this video tutorial, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. If you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video tutorial. So I used crochet hook 8mm and 2 balls of this attractive yarn sissy. And I'm so happy how my top turned out. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.